Hi everyone! Kumusta kayo guys? So, for today's video, another unboxing time! Nag-order naman ako guys sa Lazada ng photo paper. Yes! Ang SRP na guys is 110 pesos. So, naka-free shipping na siya guys. Naka-avail po ako ng voucher. And then, 100 pieces na siya guys. So, let's open it! At as you can see naman po, mukhang ano siya, may carton sa loob para hindi mo yung paper. Yan. At clear wrap. Bali yung size niya guys is A4 guys. Kaya A4 yung in-order ko para once ipapaprint yung ano siya guys, yung picture na graduate. So yun naka A4 siya or kaya yung maliliit na picture yung sasamahin ko guys sa isang A4 na size. Photo paper high gloss. At nakita niyo naman guys, 100 pesos siya. Sa halagang 110 pesos. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like my video guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. See you in my next vlog guys. God bless you all.